brake drum's heating up, Cat. That's not good.
We need to adjust fast, Tiger Cub. Stay sharp. I see a smarter route ahead. Less pressure on the brakes.
Got it. I'll steady the rig. Let's aim for a safe finish.
Careful, those lines are starting to shake.
I see them, keeping us steady. Watch that sliding hook. The clock's ticking. We're running out of time.
One move, Cat. Just one clear move to lock this in.
Rebalancing the load. Almost there.
That's it. The cargo's settling. Keep calm, we've got this.
Whew. We nailed it. Everything's secure now.
Great teamwork, Cat. We stayed cool under pressure.
Watch, plan, act calmly always works like a charm.
Yeah! Tell us your favorite moment below. What stood out to you?